Hi, Steve Muzzy here, Senior Manager of Client Programs at Second Nature, and today I'm going to do a very quick video and demonstration on how to make the connection, the API connection between SIMAP and the Second Nature reporting platform. So there are 3 steps that need to be taken in order to be ready to do the connection, to make the connection between the platforms. So the first step is you must be a paid subscriber to the Tier 1 subscription of SIMAP. So that's your first step. The second step is you need to complete your greenhouse gas inventory in SIMAP or inventories, and you have to mark those years that are complete in SIMAP. And then the third step is what we're going to walk through now, is how you connect that API key to share the data across the platforms. What is really helpful, you're going to want to log in or be logged into both the Second Nature reporting platform and the SIMAP greenhouse gas or carbon crunching tool, and have them open in each in their own tabs. So here we're going to use Second Nature Training as the example institution. And you're logged in, you're on your dashboard, you're going to go down to your annual progress evaluation, and you will have a draft. It will probably say 2018 draft, but you're going to click in there, and on the very first tab, you're going to have here your Second Nature API key. So you're going to copy that, and then you're going to take that over to the SIMAP tool, and under Account and under Institution, you're going to scroll to the very bottom, and there's a field for Second Nature API key that you'll paste into there. And then you'll hit Save. And again, just a reminder, you need to make sure under Data Management that you check off the years that you want to report on. So we have these years saved here. So now let's make sure the connection has been made. This is a little cumbersome, but what you'll need to do is go back out to your dashboard. And this is kind of just refreshing the page and making the signal connect to SIMAP. And you're going to go back in, and fingers crossed, it should say data is available. And it is. So you have this ready to load the data. This is the year. So this is very important. You want to select the start date of the 12-month period that's covered in this report. So this is a academic year. Starts in 2016, but it ends in 2017, so that's making it a 2017 annual progress evaluation, and that year is corresponding with the data that I want to share from SIMAP. So now I'm hitting that link, and the data is loaded, and now we can check. So here's some data that came over from SIMAP using the SIMAP tool. There's the information. There are fields in here that won't be, that are not asked, data is not asked in SIMAP, so you'll have to complete that in this form to complete this report. So you want to fill that out and hit Save and Next, but now we'll see here the carbon outputs from SIMAP have come over, and here they are. And you can cross-reference this in SIMAP by either running the report or exporting the data, the reports in SIMAP, and you can cross-reference, but highly confident that this is the same information that you have in SIMAP. So there's carbon outputs here in the emissions data. We'll move to the mitigation data. These fields are coming over from SIMAP. So all your renewable energy generation or purchases, if they're in SIMAP, they would come over here. I have some purchases, voluntary unbundled RECs and power purchase agreement that came over. Normalization and contextual data. We'll have your gross square feet of building space and the total student enrollment that came over from SIMAP. And then on this last tab, progress metrics, and just a reminder that the report is not done. There are some fields that you need to complete in this form. So especially these 3 required fields here on education, research, and community engagement, some qualitative feedback on the progress you're making there. So fill that out, head to the last tab. This will review all the data and tell you if you're missing any required data. You can go directly back from there by clicking on the red missing data. Fill that out, come back here, and if it's all complete, you can check this box to make public and then submit, and you have completed your annual progress evaluation. So that's a very quick overview of how to make the connection. If you want to schedule a call, you can contact me at Smuzzy at Second Nature or reporting at Second Nature, and we can schedule a call and walk through it together. There you go. Thank you.